Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're opening Panini UFC Optic 2022. This is a retail blaster box featuring 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Find 6 inserts or parallels per box on average. Look for retail exclusive autographs and signature series. Look for blaster exclusive purple velocity parallels numbered to 59. All right, let's get into it. Certainly would like to get one of those retail exclusive autographs, or also would love to get one of the purple velocities to 59. So see if we have any luck today. All right, first pack. Always enjoy opening Optic. There's Marab to start it off. Carlos Esparza. Rafael dos Anjos. Magomed Ankalaev. And Arnold Allen. Does they call it a silver hollow? Prism. Yeah, there you go. All right, pack number 2. Calvin Qatar, Jared Cannonier. Hey, there's Brock. Nice photo there, Brock. Rafael Fiziev, rated rookie. Pretty cool. And Davison Figueiredo, Dominators. Cyril Gunn. Hey, there's the hammer, Mark Coleman. Ketlin Vieira. Shogun Hua. Sick photo there for Shogun. And Charles Dubronx Oliveira, known as Optic Insert. All right, halfway through the blaster box here. Curtis Blades, the Spider. There's some nice photography in this. I like the photo selection on some of these cards. Jessica Andrade with the blue hair, that's sick. Sugar Sean with the multicolor hair, always looking sick. And Tito Ortiz, My House. Good old Tito. 2 more packs to go. Looks like, could it be maybe purple? There's Khabib. Holly Holm. Just got a nice win. Gilbert Burns. Bryce Mitchell. And Connor, purple. Nice. Not the purple velocity to 59, but pretty cool nonetheless. Conor McGregor, purple hollow parallel. Prism. All right, last pack. Can we get another rated rookie? All right. Alexander Rocket. Alex Perez. Islam Makhachev. Wonder Boy. And last card of the blaster, Brandon Moreno, Stargazing. Optic Insert. All right, so only 1 rated rookie in the whole blaster box, but It is Rafael, so we'll take that. And pretty cool Conor McGregor purple parallel there. Arnold Allen silver hollow. And a nice selection of inserts. I've opened a few of these UFC blaster boxes and have not hit an auto yet. I know they're out there. I've seen people opening them. Haven't had as much luck as I have pulling the baseball autos from Optic Blasters, but we're gonna keep trying. It's a fun product. I enjoy opening it up. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think of UFC Optic this year, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good one.